I just signed the lease on my dream apartment. I can't even believe I'm saying that. I feel so grown, and yes, I vlogged the whole experience start to finish. Now, we definitely missed a few chapters, so let's rewind and talk about how we even got here in the first place.
I should pay attention to the inspection. So this crazy thing happened where I thought it would be a good idea to start touring apartments, okay? I was interested in starting the process. In Vancouver, it's really difficult to get a new apartment. It's very competitive here. It feels like when you go to an apartment viewing, there are 10 other people viewing the suite. People make a lot of money in Vancouver, so a lot of times you are beat out by other people in terms of financing. So I was like, let's get started on the process now so that, you know, I'm month to month in my apartment. I can take as long as I need. I'm not quite ready to move now, but let's just get started on the process and see what's out there. I booked one apartment tour. The space ticked off all of my boxes. So I applied as kind of let's just see where I fit in the rental market if I get this place. If I don't know if I'm gonna move in it because I don't know if I'm ready yet. I applied for it as kind of a YOLO thing. I got the apartment. The man called me, he said, it's yours if you want it. Yes or no, but let us know by end of day today. Otherwise, we're moving on to the next tenant. Girl, end of day? Sure, okay. Thought about it real hard and determined that I'm going to move into this place. So I didn't even have time to make an apartment tour video for you guys or an apartment hunt. I didn't have time to do an apartment hunt because the first place that I saw, I got, and that's not very normal in Vancouver. You know, it came very effortlessly. I think it's a sign that I should just go for it. So spoiler alert, I'm in my new place. I'm gonna show you the tour about midway through the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna share some of my apartment requirements with you, even though, you know, we're bypassing the whole apartment hunt section. Here are the must-haves. I need a 2-bed, 2-bath. I need more space, you guys. My older place was 500 square feet, and that's just not cutting it for my life anymore. I work from home every day by myself. I work for myself, and I know that I'm potentially hiring an assistant soon. I want to grow my team and I want to grow my business, so I need a place with enough space for that. I need south facing. For me specifically, because I film a lot, south facing is really important to me. And then also bonus points if it's a corner unit, so having southeast or southwest, like, that would blow my mind. Also, having a washer dryer in unit is a non-negotiable for me. I need it to be in central Vancouver, and I also need it to be in a quiet and safe area. Being in my 20s, I don't know, I just feel like a baby. I need somewhere very safe and very quiet. I need concierge and security, not because I'm trying to be bougie, but it adds to the safe factor. In my last apartment, we had a concierge, same doorman every single day, and you know, we got to know each other well, and I just felt like an added layer of security there. Secure parcels and packages. I feel like I hear a lot about people saying their packages get stolen, and that's something that I really don't need and don't want because packages are a huge part of my job as well. And then in terms of nice to haves, I would love an ensuite bathroom. Good news is I got all of the things off my list. 2-bed, 2-bath, ensuite, washer dryer in unit. I have a whole dining room. In this video, we're gonna be packing up my old house. I'm gonna be moving into this place and we're gonna be setting it all up. Make sure you're subscribing because we have a whole moving series going on while I furnish this place, while I turn my office into a girl palace, while I do a housewarming party. I'm taking it all and putting it all on YouTube. So you're not gonna wanna miss this. What did I just sign up for? Okay, so I guess I have to start moving now. I got the keys last night and I got the boxes this morning. So I guess it's time to start actually packing and moving. I don't have to be out of my place for another 15 or 16 days. I'm gonna have 2 apartments for the month. And that's just to ensure like a smooth, flawless move because I do have a lot of stuff. Okay, today is gonna be bathroom, stuff in my den. My den, you guys, is so scary. If I showed you what's in there, storage stuff, it's honestly just become a dumping zone. Should I show you? Should I? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. It will not be like that in the new place, to say the least. Today is a work and packing day, but first we need matcha. It is time to pack up my beloved beloved, beloved bathroom. My bathroom is my sanctuary, honestly. I spend a lot of time in here. I do a lot of glam in here. Feeling very bittersweet, but my new bathroom is so chef's kiss. It's much nicer than this one. So we're gonna love the new one too. Goodbye to my little perfume rack. Actually not, because I'm taking her to the new spot too. It's not actually a goodbye. Let's see what else we have here. We have this little double mirror situation going on. And I have quite a lot of products, you guys. Not even intentional. I'm giving away my Lululemon Studio mirror. Someone's coming to pick it up and we're parting with it. These are all of my candles. I have an issue. Good morning, you guys. This is a very monumental moment in this moving series because I am selling the kitchen island that I've been using for 3 years from IKEA. This was so amazing in not only being able to chop things and eat somewhere and hang out with friends somewhere, but store a lot of my stuff. So I put plates, I put cups, I put stuff in there, and she's going, but it's obviously a bitter, more sweet thing because now we have an actual island with room for stools and I have a room for a dining table. Also, the piece of art is gone. We gave it away and the rug is gone, you guys. This is just a completely bare hallway. I don't really know what to do with myself. Looks like it's actually sunken. We are moving. Depot is the most confusing store in the world, even though it tells you what's in every single aisle in a very detailed manner. I just can't navigate it. I can't navigate these waters. Getting plaster so I get my damage deposit back. They're playing Diana by One Direction. Okay, I've done what I can tonight and I am calling it. I am going to bed. These are not even half of the boxes. I'm so tired. It's only 10:30, but I am someone who needs to be in bed by 9, so I am beat right now. We have an early morning tomorrow. I'm gonna get the U-Haul at about 9. Gonna get coffee and bagels for the moving crew, aka my friends. Saying goodbye to my bedroom and my first apartment. Cleared out the closet. Don't know how I did that because again, we got way too many clothes. One last thing, I've been finding so many sentimental things laying around while cleaning and clearing out, like birthday cards, heartfelt birthday cards from years and years ago. This bag from my first ever brand trip with Carousel in Miami, and this was in the bottom of my closet. I had not seen this in months and months, and it has our little hotel tag. It just brings back so many memories. I feel like moving to this place is gonna be such a nice new big chapter for me that will elevate my whole life in so many different ways. Okay, good night and see you tomorrow. He's still going. It's been 12 seconds of a clip. What's your big finisher?
Because like you do such a good job. So I'm not working with photographers also. Like your videos are so good.
Really?
So good.
Aw,
And
tell me why. Welcome to my office. This is my second bedroom, and this is where I'm gonna be working, where I'm gonna be filming, and it's also my closet right here. I'm gonna do a custom closet build out, I think. Renter friendly, of course, because we're just renting this place. I've never had a second bedroom before, so this is very exciting to me. And like I shared, we already have the closet started, and it is actually massive, you guys. It's the whole walls. I wanna take out these mirrors and build some sort of California closet moment. This is a second bathroom that's attached to the second bedroom, and this is gonna be for guests, and I'm gonna stock it up with my favorite products for all of my guests to enjoy. Lighting is probably the thing that I'm most excited for. I didn't have amazing lighting in my last place. I was southeast facing, but I just had a little window wall versus this is a corner with sunlight pouring in. Obviously, as you can see, it is a very sunny day. This is my main bedroom, and it has an ensuite. It's nothing crazy, it's nothing special. It's just gonna fit my queen bed and my 2 side tables. My bathroom is already a mess. As you can see, I've been really getting into it, but this is my bathroom. This is my kitchen, you guys. She is very cute. Pretty standard kitchen, but I just love that I have somewhere to entertain. We have our stove, we have our oven, we have a microwave. The fridge is bigger than my last place. We have, you guys, my last place did not have this. We have a detachable little thing. I did not have this before, and it drove me nuts. The one thing that's lacking about this kitchen is the amount of storage space, so I'm really gonna have to utilize this den to get it all done. And because of the lack of storage space, I'm putting all my mugs here. I think it adds a nice touch, especially when you get these mugs around the world. Like this is from New York, this is from Cabo, this is from Hourglass, which y'all know I love that brand, and I use this coffee mug all the time. Get ready for a lot of cooking content here. You guys know I love to cook. Get ready for lots of matcha recipes, coffee recipes, stuff like that. I wish I could show you guys out the window, but of course I cannot for security reasons. But I have a really big dining room and living room behind me. As you can see, that chandelier is not very cute, so I'm gonna switch it out for something a little more the vibe. TV's gonna go over here. Dining room is gonna go back there. We have a lot of space to play. It's pretty much the apartment. I do have a very large balcony that I am going to grill almost every day on, just like I do my current balcony. I'm a grill master, you guys. I don't know if you know that about me. I just ordered food delivery to my house for the first time. And you guys, I forgot to say cutlery. So now I have this whole souvlaki platter from the Greek and no fork. Don't know what to do. They told us that someone had came and cleaned the place, and they spent $500 on a professional cleaner, and I'm like, it's not giving that, but that's okay. I feel like regardless of who cleaned this place and how well they cleaned it, I would have still loved to get in here and give a little scrub dub dub, which is what I did. And I put all of my bathroom stuff away, so I'm really turning this into my girl palace. Started focusing on this side first and foremost. Also, hey guys, I'm gonna need your guys' help with how to organize everything because it is kind of a doozy in here. In my old place, I'm so used to having the shelving inside of the mirror and on the walls that having it under the sink, everything is a little bit of an adjustment, but it's gonna be fun trying to get it all sorted. Okay, so perfumes are gonna have to go up here. I'm gonna get a cute little tray, but I feel like that's a cute little vibe. All of my perfumes, these are the ones that I've narrowed it down to, as in like I actually wear them. The other ones I've given away to friends and family. This is my like skincare, body care corner because this is what I'm gonna be reaching forward for the most. So this is skincare, and this is what I mean when I say I need help organizing, because in my last place, it was all just in front of you on a stand. This is just a big old drawer. This does not cut it. This is so cluttered. And then under we have body care, like deodorants, moisturizers, sunscreens, oils, stuff like that. And then under here, I'm gonna have like my skincare to-goes all in this little bag. I have a bunch of minis and then my travel pouches for travel as well. So this is just like the skincare, body care section. And then on the right, if I'm getting ready, that's the left. And then hair and makeup, glam is gonna be on the right over here. Starting here, again, you guys, I need some help organizing this and finding a way to put all of my brushes away because I cannot do this. It's way too tall. We're gonna find a way, but this is makeup. We have complexion, we have cheeks, we have lips, we have eyes, we have more lips here. And then under that, see, I already heard things fall. Under that, we have hair. So we have hair products. And then just like skincare, I'm gonna have to find a way to like put these together in a really organized way. But we have all of our styling products, our heat protectors, some hair masks, stuff like that. You can see some of my favorite brands are Oribe is my favorite. I love MEJ. I love Olaplex. I love Care Silk, Living Proof. I don't know. Oh, it's at my other house because I'm filming with it, but I love Kenra as well. So these are some of my favorite brands. And then under that, this is where my Dyson products are gonna be. So my Dyson straightener, the Corral, and the blow dryer, the Dyson Supersonic are gonna be down here as well. And then under here, what do we even have? I don't know. We have nothing so far. I don't even know what's gonna go under here. That's pretty much what's going on in the bathroom. I'm gonna have the same skincare shelf that I have in my other place here. And I'm thinking I might put my everyday essential skincare things there, like face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, stuff like that, just so that it's easy access for me. Slowly making this place a home. It feels like I have such a long way to go, but I already really like this place and I'm excited.